this question. In the final page of your thesis, you wrote that the University of Aruba has a cardinal role in civil discourse to elevate the quality of the debate in human rights. I think the same. I think that the University of Aruba not only has the task to educate and form its students, but also has the moral obligation to educate and inform the public in general. How do you think we can contribute or stimulate the University of Aruba to perform this important and essential role?
I'm glad you agree, and I believe as maybe future alumni, we could start a fundraising. No, definitely it's important for the University of Aruba, not only because it's the only academic institution with such authority, credibility, and sort of reflecting, independent thinking. It's important because the University of Aruba can sort of provide the platform for civil discourse in making sure that, fundamental rights are not just to be considered as a legal obligation or academic abstract concepts, but to make sure that through this civil discourse, actually minds, hearts, and souls are transformed. I think that's important because that's the only way that we can guarantee, in a durable way, that our laws are in accordance with fundamental rights, which ultimately is a reflection of our humanity. I think we all here can contribute to make sure in one way or the other we can help University of Aruba. I mean, with social media nowadays, we can live stream anything directly on anyone's Facebook page. And there are many ways we can contribute by sort of legal scholarship, giving lectures in accessible language, like I said, in Pavimento, opening up the university not just for the intellectual crowds, but for the people of Aruba. And like I said, it has to be in a way that people are sort of enticed to participate, that we hear each other out with the purpose of understanding, not with the purpose of necessarily persuading, but sort of opening up, facing ourselves, facing our prejudices or built-in biases. And there's so many things that through this honest and open conversation we can achieve. And so if you organize a fundraising, I'm willing to help out.
Amy Mashidaki, bonita escreve.